What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If your toilet tank looks like this and it's all nasty and dirty, then stick around for this full video because I'm going to show you how to clean your tank out without scrubbing, and it's going to be so easy and effortless. The first thing you want to do is shut off your water so that you can drain all the water in your tank. A lot of people don't realize that their tank is filled with minerals, rust, and bacteria, and everything that is in your tank gets flushed into your toilet. So if that is really dirty, then that creates a problem. So like I said, what you want to do is drain the water. So just go ahead and flush your toilet and hold your handle for a second so that all of the water comes out of it. Then you will need a bucket of hot water. So I'm just using my mopping bucket, and the miracle cleaner is going to be some citric acid. I got mine online off Amazon, but you can usually find it in your local grocery stores as well. You will need 1 cup of the citric acid and go ahead and pour it into the bucket of hot water, and it's just tap water. You could also put the water in the tank and then put the citric acid, but I'm just doing this and stirring it up because I felt like it was easier to do it this way. Then just go ahead and take your bucket of water and fill your tank back up. You want to at least fill it up over the line where the rust is that you can see and all of this grime, so that the citric acid can take care of all of it. So I'm having to add extra water just so I can make sure I fill it up to the top. Once you've filled it back up, then just go ahead and let it sit for a couple hours and come back and see the magic. Okay, here's the results after I let it sit for several hours. It looks so much better. And then of course you can take a scrub brush and go in there and actually scrub it out. So I'm just draining all of the water, and then we'll let the clean water fill back up. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys in this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.